So I'm out here at a job today in Caringbah for a customer who's still connected to ADSL 2. Now the customer, we're getting, let's see here, we're getting 8.3 megabit a second and about 812 kilobits a second, but they're about 3Ks from the exchange, so that's roughly probably what they should be getting, maybe a little bit more with the ADSL service. But there's a problem because he's got a running like a business from his house here, and the phones, obviously what that work through ADSL on the lines, there's no dial tone on it. There's just an engaged signal, so that is not a normal situation with ADSL. It's supposed to be a dial tone because you usually have a phone and your ADSL on the ADSL service. So there is no dial tone here, so I'm inside his like little communications area, and the phones are plugged into this port here, so that goes down. There's a Cat6 cable that runs down to the MBM box at the side of the house, and then the leading cable meets there. So I'm just going to show you now, there's an engaged signal on this because he's been to his ISP Optus quite a few times and they're trying to fob it off saying it's an internal cabling issue, but I'm going to prove today that that's not the case. Got my Badinsky connected to here, and I'm going to try and give you, so if you can hear the engaged signal through my little microphone here. So now I'm down here at the leading cable at the front of the house, and they put a brand new cable in, leading cable, when they did this installation not too long ago. So you should have been able to clearly hear that. So this needs to go back to Optus. I need to come out and sort this guy's phone lines out because, as I've just proved, it's not an internal cabling issue. This is 100% a network issue. So Optus, you'll have to come and fix this one up. So you can see there was a Telstra tech out here on this one just recently on the 24th of the 7th, which is about a week ago. And he says it's okay to hear, which is just there, just trying to hide this customer's number. But yeah, it says line okay to hear, so obviously it's not.